Hi guys, it's Anne Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see from what is on my desk, I have this beautiful cake that my friend Wanda had gifted me for my birthday, and we had um, a get together last month, and she surprised me with this beautiful creation that she made for me, and it is adorable. And I wanted to open this on my birthday only because it felt right to unbox this on my birthday. And if you don't know my talented friend, obviously everybody knows her, but Wendy Sweets here on YouTube and Instagram. Thank you again, friend, for this beautiful box. I mean, floral box of goodness, and it is just simply amazing. Just, I love all of the details on this. I'm sorry for if I'm making you dizzy, but this Anna Griffin box is absolutely darling, and I just want to say thank you. And it makes me already in a good mood to open this on my birthday. Um, so let's get started. So I'm going to start around, and let's open the side here. Oh my goodness, look how cute this is. So this is a darling bag, a bag chain, a bag charm. And look how cute these are. The little kitty on her cloud. And I love the little ice cubes with the like frosting on it. The textures on this is adorable. And I just love this little fuzzy beads. You always have the good best stuff. So I've been like terrible with hauling. Maybe because I don't have much of, not that I don't have a mojo for crafting. I just trying to use more of my stuff. So I love this. So pretty. And then what's up next one? Oh my goodness. Look how cute this is. So this goes on behind your phone. And we did a craft like this in our house. And she has these beautiful large acrylic pieces. And they do like that. What is that? Like whipped cream? But look at all the little details on this. So cute. Thank you so much. And then the next little box here. Ooh, we got a little felty bundle. So we got all the essential colors, and then they come in polka dot and plain. And I love texture in my craft, so I definitely will use this. And these are my colors. So thank you. Let's go to the next little bundle. Ooh, we got some beads. And again, I told you I haven't like been in a craft store. Like, can you believe I haven't been in Hobby Lobby? I don't know, like I want to say over a year. So it's yeah. I really love that. Look at all these pretty beads in this. I love the little um perler like pink. It's like a pearly little beautiful color, and then all the different colors in this. So pretty. Thank you so much. And then here we got some ribbons. So she gave me pink ruffle trim, a colored heart one, and a really cute Valentine ribbon bundle. Thank you. Oh, and this one is a box and it says my name on it. And let's see. Oh, so these are those little rollers. Uh, oh, that's so cool. So, you know, you put on your little packages, and like half the time I just put like post-its to cover my address when I'm opening Happy Meals. So this is well needed. Thank you so much. So let's close that up. Look at all these beads. So these are, what do you call them? Like bead caps? But they're all in different iridescent rainbow colors. You can see that from here. I love these for wire wrapping. These are nice to like hold up your bead. So thank you so much. You gave me so much, and really all the colors that I may need. And then I think last but not least, I think this middle section has a another little pocket, but I don't want to ruin it. So I'm just going to open this gently. Just got a whole little flower bouquet here. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, just gonna put this back together. And I'm pretty sure my friend forgot what she gifted me because it was such a while ago that she made this, but again, I appreciate it. Come on, come on. Okay, got her back together. And let's see. Oh, so she included some fuzzy socks. You can't go wrong with these in the wintertime. Thank you so much. She gave me this Nuvo glue, precision glue. And I love Nuvo glues in general, so I will put that to good use. This invisible light pen, so you get to write secret messages, and I will definitely be sharing one with my son because he'll love this. And then we got little lip oil. So thank you so much, Wanda, for your friendship, your generosity. I loved opening this gorgeousness on my birthday. It really made me feel so special. And she's so beautiful. I think this is my first birthday cake. Well, paper birthday cake. So this will live on in my room forever. And look at all the flowers. I mean, really, seriously. Thank you so much for sharing this little birthday bundle with me on my special day. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.